Hi guys, it's Damon here from Signature Series Group Sponsorship. I want to give you a little sneak peek into the audience element of our professional sponsorship overview document, template and tutorial that we're offering. And that is, most sponsors or most companies and brands, one of the elements or objectives they're going to have is changing the perception of the audience or the people that you are able to influence, okay, to obviously whether it's purchase their products or services or whatever it is that they're doing or offering. They the idea is it's a marketing tool, right? Sponsorship. So they're trying to change that audience's perception to come in line with what it is that they do or offer. And so that's very much about here: audience, fan description, and avatar. And we're going to talk about this, and it's not something that a lot of people forget to think about this when they're describing to their potential sponsor who it is that they're actually talking to and who it is they can influence. And that alignment alone between who it is that you talk to and who it is they want to talk to is going to be very important. Look forward to running through this section with you soon.